Welcome back to Colorado's Best. Are your aches and pains keeping you from exercising? Been feeling like, you can do your best and do the activities that you love? Well, it doesn't have to be that way. The 8 Weeks to Wellness program is totally comprehensive and focuses not only on weight loss, but great nutrition and healing and strengthening your body. The man behind the 8 Weeks to Wellness program is Dr. Jim Kambeitz with Kambeitz Chiropractic Health and Wellness Center. Welcome back to Colorado's Best. I've done the 8 Weeks to Wellness program with you. My husband did. I've lost 2 dress sizes, still going. My husband is down to less than 20% body fat now. But we were talking about just the aches and pains that everybody gets when you start kind of a workout program. And oftentimes, and it's been my case in the past, when I would launch a new exercise program, I'd get hurt. And then I'd just stop because I was hurt for like a week or 2 trying to get well again.
Exactly. So another reason why I started the program is people have aches and pains maybe going into an exercise program, want to do it, and that's stopping them. And maybe when they start exercising, they expose a problem or weakness or some aches and pains. And that's how we get to help people through that. Yeah,
that is one of the biggest differences, I think, about you and what you offer in the 8 Weeks to Wellness, because it is so comprehensive. So I, definitely would pull a hamstring or hurt my knee. But the amazing thing, and this is key, is that, you're all under one roof. You have a beautiful gym there that we work out in. But after the workout, we come to see you for adjustments. And sometimes it's just typical adjustments for the whole body. But sometimes when I was hurt, you would focus right on that. And you used to love to say, I like it actually when you tell me that something's hurting, because it exposes a weakness, right?
Correct. Yeah. So most people look at aches and pains as a problem, and I'm just going to shut down, I'm going to rest this, I'm not going to do anything. Well, what happens is it develops scar tissue and tension and adhesions in there. So we like to get the joint moving correctly. We like to get the muscles elongated and the flexibility back, so now you can continue doing what you love to do.
Yeah, here we are in your office, and you were just using a little device kind of on the back of my calf.
Yeah.
And this is what I love, is after you do the adjustment, then you'll have me go through the different movements. I would have neck issues, I would have shoulder issues, but that's where you come in. This is just a key factor in keeping us going.
Exactly. So the instrument here, what happens is it taps light but quick, so it taps 12 times per second. So it's doing 12 stretches per second in on the affected area. So even a guy yesterday, plantar fasciitis, knee problems, hip pain, shoulder, decreased range of motion in the neck, anywhere in the body, I can use the instrument also to increase your range of motion. Here we're working on your knee because your knee was bothering you the one day. So we worked on the knee to get the elasticity and the pliability back in the joint.
Yeah, I had hamstring pulls. My knees have always been kind of a constant issue for me when I would try to do a program. And the thing is, when you're exercising and you get hurt, we've said this before, it can set you back a week, 2 weeks, but I'm not kidding, everybody. He would get me back in the game right away. I never missed one single workout. I never missed one day, because you and your team get us right back into the action.
Correct.
Because you know exactly what to do.
Yeah, so the one day you were adjusted before we started working on you, and then you went for your workout, it exposed the weakness in your hamstring, so then you came back in, we worked on the hamstring, and minutes after I was done working on you, you were able to function again much better.
I know. I remember limping into your office after the workout because I was in pain.
Yeah.
But then I walked out immediately after you got done. I walked out straight. I was stunned. I still am.
Yeah.
It can make such a dramatic difference to have that kind of immediate attention. And that's what's so great, is that you're all everything is under your roof at Kambeitz. I see you, I get the workout, I get the myofascia massage. Tell me a little bit more about that. Tell everybody about that.
So same thing there, as we work the muscle from a short to long. So in a contracted to an elongated state, and which happens when we exercise is we're firing those muscles in a short to long pattern. So we want to make sure that we're working through the adhesions, scar tissue, tension, to make sure you can do that activity. Yeah, so we're looking at the before and afters. Again, I like to tell people I've dropped 2 dress sizes already, but that was 3 inches in the waist, 3 inches in the hips, and you really can't, in 8 weeks, what a short amount of time to make such a dramatic difference, and not just in appearance, but the way I felt. So much more energy, feel stronger, and here are some of your other very happy clients. Yeah, it's amazing the differences. In 8 weeks, people always look at the picture and they go, wow, that was in 8 weeks. Right. So it's amazing to see what can happen when you just start changing habits. And it's little things. We don't deprive people of food and and proper nutrients, we just changed up their habits a little bit.
Right, and you also get a cheat day. You do allow
Yeah,
that with your
yeah,
nutrition, which is
exactly.
wonderful because we're all human, right?
Exactly.
And we go on vacation. So I want to tell everybody too that you have an amazing deal for Colorado's best viewers. So if you start the 8 Weeks to Wellness program today, you're going to get a $50 full exam, x-rays, wellness score. That would normally cost you $280, but if you call today and make your appointment, you're going to get it all for only $50. So call his team right now at 303-790-6000 or go online to 8wwdenver.com. There's even more information about the 8 Weeks to Wellness program on that website. And get this, Dr. Kambeitz is generously giving one lucky viewer the full 8 Weeks to Wellness program. For your chance to win this, just log on to coloradosbest.tv, find us on Facebook, and click on the contest there. You're going to see a separate link to win this 8 Weeks to Wellness program from Dr. Kambeitz. You're going to love it. Good luck.
Thank you.